Welcome to this video on understanding the oil and gas supply chain. In this video, we will take you through the step-by-step process of this industry, from exploration to production and distribution. First, the definition. The oil and gas industry refers to the sector of the global economy involved in the exploration, production, refining, transportation, and distribution of petroleum products. This industry is vital to the modern economy, as petroleum products are used as fuel for transportation, electricity generation, and heating, as well as being used in the manufacture of various goods. The procurement role involves several stages, including sourcing, like identifying and selecting suppliers, negotiations, contracting, and monitoring performance, ending up with delivery. The first step in the oil and gas supply chain is exploration, including using geophysical techniques to identify the presence of oil and gas deposits deep beneath the Earth's surface. The next step is appraisal. This step involves further exploration to determine the extent and size of the reserves, and to assess their economic viability. After that, is time for development. It covers constructing the necessary infrastructure to extract oil and gas from the reserves. Typically, it includes drilling wells, building platforms, and laying pipelines to transport the oil and gas to processing facilities. The production stage involves extracting the oil and gas from the reserves and processing it into marketable products. It is about separating raw materials from other substances such as impurities. The oil and gas are then transported to refineries for further processing into various products such as gasoline, diesel, and other petroleum products. The final product needs to be transferred to various locations for sale and distribution. It is transported using pipelines, tanker trucks, and other modes of transportation to move the products to refineries, storage facilities, and distribution centers. The final step is distribution. This involves delivering the products to the end consumers, such as gas stations, homes, and businesses. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Thanks for watching. Visit us next time and subscribe to our channel.